Action! Balita!
See where people eat parang where would you recommend? Oo nga.
We saw the van kasi may mga...
Ano yung vents? Ano yung sulfuric vents?
Yeah.
What we call?
Sa Amalan. Picture mo. Post na dahil na para...
Especially on tourism industry. So, yeah, tinanggap ko kagad itong mga magigiting na
Thank you.
Eurasian. Pasalamat talaga ako dito sa kanila. Thank you for having the sports school here.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you also.
With Gov. Isn't that cool? We're gonna be playing tonight sa Ninoy Aquino Freedom Park. Festivities start at 8 p.m. We're gonna be playing a little bit later. Masaya to. Bring everyone. Dali yung mga kaibigan nyo, yung mga relatives nyo, kahit pati mga kaaway nyo para magbati kayo. Pwede na naman yan. Kasi lagi sinasabi yun eh. Kasi it's true, di ba? Parang new beginnings, all that. Baka pwede kayo magbati. Di ba? Parang yan, fist bump, group hug, gano'n. So yun. Hope to see everyone and kantahan tayo lahat mamaya.
Okay, so sa tanan, ato ta sa Freedom Park. Aron ato i-witness kini mga gwapong tao.
Yeah.
Let's all enjoy. Later ba? Tonight. So thank you.
Here. Camera here.
And salamat din nga pala sa AirAsia for bringing us here, flying us in, and yeah, peace.
Okay.
Jerry?
Patronize AirAsia Philippines, and we're here to bring more life to Dumaguete. Thank you very much.
Thank AirAsia for having this for the Spanish Cola, bringing Spanish Cola here in Negros Oriental. Thank you AirAsia. Thank you.
Thank you. Magpa-selfie lang ako for the people in Malaysia.
Yes,
For Tony Fernandez.
Thank you so much.
Action! Balita!